Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Dell laptops on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Dell BS13, 2022. The 2022 Dell BS13 continues the line's tradition of delivering outstanding ultrabooks. While the aesthetic changes from the 2020 model spark some controversy, this remains a powerful productivity laptop suitable for students and professionals on the go. The ultra-portable design, coupled with a 13.4-inch display, is complemented by enhanced performance courtesy of Intel's 12th Gen laptop CPUs. Despite a 720p webcam and a more compact build leading to fewer physical ports, the Dell BS13's entry price of just $899 makes it a compelling choice, offering an excellent balance of performance and affordability. It stands out as one of our preferred compact laptops in the current market. Number 2. Dell BS13 2-in-1. The traditional thin and compact laptop form factor of the beloved Dell BS13 has given way to a new design featuring a tablet with a detachable folio housing the keyboard and trackpad. This innovative form factor, however, has raised some concerns about convenience and versatility during testing. The folio's lack of rigidity limits its use on various surfaces, departing from the ease of use offered by regular laptops. Nevertheless, the Dell BS13 2-in-1, 2022, excels in travel scenarios. With a significantly lighter, thinner, and more compact build than its predecessor, it becomes an ideal choice for work-related travel, digital nomads, and vacationers in need of a portable laptop. Despite its unconventional design, the laptop doesn't compromise on performance. Equipped with current generation specs at the time of its release, it proves capable not only for everyday tasks, but also for lighter creative work, such as photo editing. Number 3. Dell BS17. The Dell BS17 stands out as one of the top laptops catering to students, creatives, and business professionals, boasting powerful hardware and an exceptionally sleek design. Powered by Intel's latest 12th Gen Alder Lake CPUs, the laptop excels in handling diverse workloads, including non-gaming tasks, where it still performs admirably. With an eye-catching display and exceptional design, the BS17 becomes a stylish and high-performing device for various work environments, whether it's the office, a coffee shop, or while traveling for work. Despite its premium features, it manages to deliver decent battery life. However, potential buyers should be aware that the best configurations of this premium device come with a corresponding high price tag. Number 4. Alienware WM15 OR7. If you're in the market for a gaming laptop featuring an NVIDIA GPU, the Alienware WM15 OR7, 2022, by Dell is a powerhouse designed for speed and performance. Ideal for esports enthusiasts, it boasts a display with a remarkable 360 Hz refresh rate and 1ms response time at 1080p resolution, or a 1440p display at 240 Hz and 2ms, delivering an incredibly smooth and responsive gaming experience for competitive titles. While the build quality may not exude the premium feel of some Alienware X series counterparts, this compromise contributes to a more affordable price point relative to other models in the Alienware gaming laptop lineup. It's essential to note that, as an Alienware device, even the starting price may be prohibitive for some consumers. Number 5. Dell BS15. The Dell BS15 has earned its place as the best 15-inch laptop on our list, offering a compelling blend of powerful performance with its 12th Gen Intel processor and dedicated NVIDIA RTX GPU, as well as an elegant and lightweight design. While the higher spec configurations may come with a higher price tag, making it less budget-friendly for some students, its thin and light design makes it an excellent choice for on-the-go productivity. The discrete graphics card further enhances its suitability for tasks requiring significant computational power, such as running resource-intensive software like MATLAB. boasting a wealth of physical ports, a vibrant high-resolution display with OLED models available, and a durable brushed aluminum chassis. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.